Unlock the power of Midjourney to create AI-generated images so lifelike, you'll question if they were ever painted by a human. Today, we're delving into the art of prompt engineering and parameter wizardry to generate truly photorealistic visuals with Midjourney. It all starts with your imagination. Begin by describing your subject with as much detail as possible, almost like you're describing it to a photographer. Think about the specific subject, the setting, and the overall mood you want to convey. For instance, instead of just a city street, try a rain-slick cobblestone street in Paris at dusk, streetlights casting a warm glow on the wet pavement, with blurred figures of people walking under umbrellas. Now, let's refine. Midjourney offers powerful parameters. Using style raw can often lead to more photographic and less stylized outcomes, reducing the AI's inherent artistic interpretation. Another key is aspect ratio for that classic photographic feel. Use AR169 or AR30 to emulate common camera sensor dimensions. To enhance realism, focus on texture. Incorporate words like intricate texture, fine detail, natural grain, or soft focus in your prompt. Think about how light interacts with surfaces. Lighting is paramount. Specify the type of light: golden hour lighting, studio lighting, rim lighting, or soft diffused light. This will significantly impact the photorealism. Don't be afraid to iterate. Generate a few variations and then use the V buttons to create more options based on the ones you like best. You can also use the U buttons to upscale your favorite image. By combining descriptive prompts with the strategic use of parameters like style raw and AR, you can guide Midjourney to produce breathtakingly realistic photographs that showcase incredible detail, sophisticated lighting, and lifelike textures, pushing the boundaries of AI art.